Hi guys, today I'll show you how to replace the rear dome light in Toyota Camry. We need to pry from this side, the switch side, use a small screwdriver and start prying on the right and the left side. And then you'll be able to access the bulb. Simply pry it and remove. When you guys install the new bulb, first insert the right side and then you'll be able to push it in on the left, and now it's working properly. Now you can reinstall the cover, push it in, and it's good to go. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.